BC Treasure Trails here, detecting out on the Williston Lake, flooded hydro dam. This used to be the river, this used to be the Parsnip River, and now this is the Parsnip Reach part of Williston Lake. Check out this beauty. She's sweet. Doesn't get much more beautiful than that. It's a beautiful day out detecting. Another fishing weight. So many bugs out today. Man, I'm getting eaten alive. Found an old structure with my old maps. This is the third one today. Out in the wilds, detecting, not getting eaten by bears, hopefully. Someone made a little rustic fort, probably a kid. That was the dad hunting, because I seen a hunting stand close by. We got an old cellar hole, goes down in quite a bit. Give you a little view of the place I'm at right now. There it is. Old fishing lure. You can see the hammering finish on it still. Well, the bugs out here are atrocious. I'm at an old part of the HBC route on Tudja Lake, where there used to be some old foundations. You can barely notice it, but if you look hard enough, you can see that there was a trail here at one time. I don't know if you can see that, but I think it's still on the ground right there. So many bugs.